Your Lordships, for item number 2, we have filed an IA this morning on combination of delay. Therefore, it is paid that the IA may be kindly called along with item number 2.
Get it faster. Get it faster. Yes. Anything?
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 and 4 on behalf of my senior Sindianga. He had some personal difficulties, so if the Lordship so please, may it be displayed after vacation.
You be there. There will be no advance order. You be there.
Right. For admission, item number 1.
Yes, Mr. Zamir.
Possible agreed by order dated 27/11 of 2025 laws. Page 108.
So you want to restore back your position?
Laws.
Position notice?
We can admit, yes, we can admit. We can admit. We can admit. Oh, yes.
Will you admit?
Laws.
Issue notice. Right. You're representing all, I think. No private respondent.
No private respondent.
Okay. Hired Mr. Moaz Jamir. Learned counsel for the appellant. And Mr. Im Chong, learned additional advocate general, Nagaland, for the respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 5. There is a standing counsel for respondent number 4.
Yes.
Joshua Cheki,
And
Accountant General.
yes, there are 2 standing counsels.
Okay. This intra-court appeal is preferred against an order dated 27/11/2025, passed by Lawrence Single Judge in a writ petition, WPC number 146/2025. Posted by the order dated 27/11/2025, the writ petition preferred by the appellant has been dismissed. Post stop. Admit the appeal. Post stop. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. As Mr. Imsong has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 5. There is no necessity to issue formal notice to the said respondents. However, the learned counsel for the appellant shall furnish requisite number of extra copies of the memo of appeal to Mr. Imsong within 3 working days from today. The learned counsel for the appellant shall also furnish a copy of the memo of appeal along with annexer to the learned standing counsel.
Laws.
Accountant General, Principal Accountant General,
Yes, counsel. Correspondent.
A&E, Nagaland, for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 within 3 working days from today. 3, huh? List appeal after 4 weeks.
For orders, item number 3.
Yes, madam. Have you read the brief or not? Have you read the brief?
Yes, I think.
Yes, please tell me. What is I?
Lordship, item, if your Lordship may so allow, if the video could be muted because these are legal service cases of sensitive matter. So if your Lordship.
What is the I?
Yes.
You have not opened the brief.
Yeah.
That is memo of appeal.
So I is for a combination of delay for 7.
Your name is in the list of counsel.
Pardon, your Lordship?
Your name is in the list of counsel.
Yes, your Lordship.
Miss
Wapang number 1235.
Wapang Lemla.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Heard Miss Wapang Lemla, learned counsel for the applicant. And public prosecutor? You are there. Public prosecutor, Nagaland.
Let me accept the instruction.
Okay. Mr. M.T. Song. Done it. You are a public prosecutor as well?
Yeah, certainly, yes, I am.
Okay. Learned additional advocate general, Nagaland, and public prosecutor, Nagaland, for the respondent for the opposite party custom. This is an application under section 5 of the Limitation Act seeking condonation of delay of 7 days, comma, which period of delay has occurred in preferring the accompanying criminal appeal against a judgment and order dated 31/8. Okay, Mr. Thibapong.
Yes.
Mr. Thibapong. E. Thibapong.
Yes, sir.
Learned public prosecutor, huh? Against a judgment and order dated 31/8/2023, passed by the Court of Learned District and Sessions Judge Phek Nagaland, within bracket the trial court, quote unquote, in ZR case number 28/2021. Full stop. The Learned Trial Court has convicted the appellant for the offences under section 302/201, Indian Penal Code, read with section 27, within bracket 1, Arms Act. Full stop. The appellant has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life for the offence of murder under section 302 IPC, semicolon, imprisonment for 7 years for the offence under section 201 IPC, and 3 years of imprisonment under section 227(1) Arms Act. Close to issue notice or returnable in 4 weeks, as Mr. Thibapong has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the respondent opposite party state. Issuance of formal notice is dispensed with. Close stop. The opposite parties state if the objection of the objection, if any, to the prayer for condonation of delay is to be filed on or before the returnable date.
For admission, item number 2.
Item number 2. Okay. Heard Miss Wapang Lemla, Learned Counsel for the appellant, and Mr. Thibapong. Oh, you were there, Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel on behalf of Mr. Gauhati, Learned Central Government Council, for the respondent number 1. There is let us see the judgment. Mr. Thibapong, you appear for somebody? These are rights. Public sector undertaking of the Government of India. From Suba Imchen. I think he was specially engaged. We have to issue notice then.
Yes, no, to issue notice. We are asking issue notice. Yeah.
How many days delay?
To issue notice to respondents.
Okay. Mr. Spencer, Learned Counsel, representing Mr. Gauhati, Learned Central Government Council, for the respondent number 1. opposite party number one. Full stop. This is the instant application under section 5 of the Limitation Act is preferred, seeking condonation of delay in filing the accompanying writ appeal against a judgment and order dated 29/8/2025. Passed by a single judge in a writ petition, WPC number 173/2020. Full stop. Issue notice, returnable in poets. As Mr. So-and-so has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the opposite party number one. The issuance of formal notice to the said opposite party is dispensed with. The applicant shall take steps for service of notice upon the opposite party number 1 to 6 by speed post within 3 working days from today.
For orders, item number 4.
This is like item number 3. Okay. Main part is okay. Use. How many days? No, not 2000. Only 6,085 days. 6085. 6085 days. Judgment and order dated. Yes, madam, judgment and order.
17-2.
Order dated 17/2/2009.
Okay. (17 to 2009). Passed by the learned additional deputy commissioner within bracket judicial Kohima. ZR case number 144/2005. Then you say by the has been convicted for the offences under section 376 IPC and section 302 IPC, and he has been sentenced to undergo imprisonment for life. Issue notice, same. Other party safe. It is in detail is in paragraph 3 of the I. Same thing in the paragraph 3.
For orders, item number 5.
Yes.
Was it IA for name change? Actually, the
Yes.
company
Any
is-
objection?
Lordship, there is no objection because there's just a nomenclature that actually, so petitioner as such without any objection.
Okay, you are Mr.
A Kakoti.
Okay. Thanks.
Yes.
Your this applicant is a respondent.
Respondent number 5.
Okay. Heard Mr. A. Kakoti, learned counsel for the applicant. Who represents opposite party number 1 or the PL petitioner? You,
Lordship.
Miss
Miss Tejusan Kiki, Miss Kiki.
learned counsel for the opposite party. That's PL petition. Mr. You,
Responding to the.
okay, Mr. Inti Chong, learned additional advocate general, Nagaland, for the opposite party. Number 2, 3, 2, 3, and 4. You are a standing counsel for?
Responding, that also part of the vote. All. Now that I have what I just said.
Okay. And chief executive officer,
Yes.
Nagaland, okay. It is respondent number 5, I think. Yeah. Opposite party number 5 in I. Imti Imchong, Learned Edition, Advocate General Nagaland, for the opposite party number 2, 3, and 4, Mr. Ann Mojui, Learned Standing Council, Nagaland Health Protection Society, for the opposite party number 5, Private Doctor Association, you were there, Miss. That's number 6, Miss Learned Council for the opposite party number 6. And yes, Mr. Soelso, Learned Council, on behalf of Mr. Ingarbati, Learned Central Government Council for the opposite party number 7. Posto. The applicant hearing has been arrayed as opposite respondent number 5 in the array of respondents in the accompanying PIL number 2/2025. Poster. The opposite party number 1 as the PIL petition has preferred the accompanying PIL projecting that the government of Nagaland notified a scheme for extending cashless facilities to the people of Assam. And in that connection, the government of Nagaland, state government, had entered into an agreement with the respondent number 5, that is the applicant hearing, pursuant to an open tender process. Full stop. As per the agreement, the respondent number 5, thus applicant, has to extend insurance services. Full stop. Para. The instant application is preferred by the applicant respondent number 5 for change of name on the ground that during the pendency of the accompanying PIL, the name of the applicant as respondent number 5 has been changed from quote paragraph 2 Future Generally India Insurance Company Limited unquote to generally quote generally Central Insurance Company Limited with effect from 30/07/2025 with the issuance of a fresh certificate of incorporation dated date 30 July 2025 by the Registrar of Companies, Kolkata or Mumbai? Mumbai. Under the Haryana, under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India. Post of. As the name of the applicant, as respondent number 5, has been changed with effect from on and from 30/07/2025 in the aforestated manner, the instant application is preferred to change the name of the applicant as response number 5 as quote unquote generally Central Insurance Company Limited in the array of respondents in the accompanying PL. Having regard to the statements and averments made in the application and the press certificate of incorporation issued in this paper, the instant application is allowed. Post stop. Para. The opposite, the PL petitioner, that's opposite party number 1, shall submit an amended cost title before the registry within a period of 1 week, and in the on such submission, the registry shall make the necessary changes in the cost title as well as in the CIS.
Date may be fixed in the month of January for the issue is non-release of the claim of faster by the respondent of 5. So
You change the names, Ms. So for the petitioner. PIL. In the PIL, main PIL. Mr. M.T. Chong. Respondent number 1, 2, 3. Anne Mojui, Standing Counsel. Respondent number 4. Mr. A. Kakoti, Counsel for the respondent number 5. Miss Respondent number 6. Mr. Swenso, on behalf of Wangirvati, Central Government Counsel to the respondent number 7. Post of as sought for the counsel for the parties, release the case when 21/1/2026.
Wonderful.
That's my lord.
Yes, 1 minute.
My lord, I'd like to mention number 8.
Hmm? Eight.
Number 8.
Hmm.
And number 8 item for the respondents number 8 to 11.
Hmm.
I need to find my affidavit in opposition.
Hmm.
So, Lordship, you can have to grant me some time to find my affidavit.
They are private respondents.
Yes, private respondents.
Okay, and what about state?
My colleague, and Secretary, I have been informed that the state is also yet to file. So.
So, Mr. Forte, how much time?
After
4 weeks. Same 4 weeks state. And what are other respondents? Okay, give the file. Mr. Foseko Forte, learned, Ms. Inaholi, learned government advocate on behalf of Mr. N. Angami, learned government advocate for the respondent number. For the state respondents and Mr. Foseko Forte, learned counsel for the respondent number 8 to 11, have both prayed for and are granted 4 weeks time to file their respective counter affidavit. Who is the petitioner? Miss so and so, learned counsel for the petitioners is present. This is the case. Accordingly, after 4 weeks.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 4.
Yes.
Here, Mr. Surin is
Okay.
it's not keeping well. He's the arguing counsel, so
Ah.
comes up after the interrogation.
Mr. Foseko Hotel learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. P. Shurin, learned counsel who is leading him in this case. A short for listing of the case on a date after the ensuing winter vacation. Post of the learned counsel appearing for the opposite Mr. Angami.
Yeah.
The Angami, learned government advocate for the state respondents, and Mr.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior. This is a Pakim Chapel for respondent number.
Your name?
Pango, PANG.
Okay. The learned counsel for the private respondents are present and have submitted that they have no objection to the prayer. The prayer is allowed, is the case on a date immediately after the ensuing winter vacation.
Lordship, a similar prayer for item number 2 and 3. Item number 3, I'm for the petitioner. Here, my senior is out of station. It's more about Lordship, maybe because it's not to let it come after the vacation party.
Okay. On the prayer of
Please
Mr.
consider the other parties.
Foseko Forte, learned counsel for the petitioner in WPC number 182/2024, comma, with the consent of the learned counsel for the other parties, comma, has made a prayer for adjournment of the case. Post of Ms. Inaholi, learned government advocate, has appeared for the state respondents. Post of as short for list the cases after the ensuing winter vacation.
Are you back?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, I have to mention item number 19.
19.
Yes, Lordship. First, I'm for respondent 3. It's American, and you kindly state after winter break.
Yes, Miss Fulo.
Grace.
Miss Grace. Learned counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. Learned counsel for the respondent number 3. As sought for listing of the case after the ensuing winter vacation. Miss Pichana, learned government advocate for the state respondents. You along with them. Okay.
Sir Lordship, may we please to mention item number 10 and 11, Lordship. Lordship, let the matter come up after vacation for filing affidavit. We make this
Okay.
instruction here.
You received instruction.
No,
Okay, Miss.
no.
Learned counsel for the petitioners is present. Ms. Libika, learned government advocate, has submitted that she has not yet received the relevant and necessary instruction to file a counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondents and has paid for listing of the case after 4 weeks in order to file counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondents. The prayer is allowed if the cases are dated immediately after the ensuing interrogation.
Much objection. Mr. Lordship, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5 first. Lordship,
Yes, Esther.
Yes, Your Lordship. These are completed, Your Lordship.
Ah,
Lordship, however, in order to proceed further, Lordship, there is a report of the commission, Your Lordship. That would be necessary. So if that can be produced on the next step, Lordship.
okay, it is a second item in order, so you wait. I'll look into the file and I'll pass down.
Worship, I beg to mention number 7. They are need to complete the affidavit of issue. So this matter will be listed after 4 weeks.
Miss
Sorry.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr. Imti Chung, Learned Additional Advocate General Nagaland, appearing for the state respondents, has sought for 4 weeks' time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondents. First of the prayer allowed, list the case after 4 weeks.
Mr. Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 6.
Hmm.
I have the consent from the other parties if the matter may be listed after the application.
Miss
You can complete.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner has prayed for listing of the case after the ensuing interrogation. So it is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Counsel, State Council to make the prayer. The prayer is allowed, is the case made it immediately after the ensuing interrogation.
For admission, item number 1.
My lords, I'm appearing for the petitioner in item number 1.
Oh,
My lords, we have challenged 2 notification in this petition, that is notification 9 of 2023 and notification 56 of 2023. My lords, these 2 notification are currently pending in Supreme Court. My lords, we are requesting to adjourn the matter and the judgment of the Supreme Court be awaited.
you are Miss?
Sakshi.
Okay, Miss Sakshi Beast.
Yes, sir. Yes, my lords.
Learned Counsel has appeared through video conference mode and has submitted that the subject matter of challenge in this writ petition is also pending before the Supreme Court. And decision of the Supreme Court would also govern would also be applicable in the case in the present writ petition. So as the case before the Supreme Court, as the issue before the Supreme Court is pending, Ms. Bist has sought for listing of the case after.
My lords, 8 weeks, my lords. 8 weeks, my lords.
Yes, Mr. Kulnu.
No.
Okay, after in the month on a date in the month of February.
My lords.
The Jade Kulnu, Learned Standing Council CBIC, has endorsed the submission of Ms. Bist, having regard to the above submissions, list the case on a date in the month of February 2026. The interim order fast track shall continue till the next date of listing.
Much obliged.
Grateful, my lords.
For admission, item number 5.
Yes.
Mr. Lordship.
Something you were saying? You filed 2 additional affidavits.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, state want to respond or not?
Let me take a second because this matter is handled by the AG.
Okay. And there are 2 additional affidavits, right?
Yes,
You want to respond and respond
yes.
within 4 weeks' time. And you were saying some commission or something?
Yes, Your Lordship, there's a report of commission report, Your Lordship. So if that can be produced
What can,
in order
what
to
commission?
proceed further, Lordship.
What commission?
Lordship, Lordship, in 2019, the government decided to set up register of indigenous inhabitants, Your Lordship. Now, for that purpose, a commission was set up. Now that the commission has submitted its report, Your Lordship, so that would be necessary in this case. Your Lordship.
That
Yes, Your
RIIN,
Lordship.
yesterday PIL was moved, I think, by
Yes,
Mr.
yes,
Siti Jamir.
Yes.
Is it not?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Whether that the report was part of that PIL?
Yes, it was a part of the,
It was part of the PIL. Mr. Jamir is having a copy. Right?
So
Anyway, you get a copy,
if a BL is allowed, then this may will just.
right? But anyway, that will,
Yeah.
yes, that will be division bench,
Yes.
right? Already notice has been issued. Anyway, Miss Esther, I heard Miss Esther, Learned Counsel for the petitioners, Mr. Im Song, Learned Additional Advocate General Nagaland for the state respondents, post of two additional affidavits have been filed on behalf of the petitioners. Post of para. Mr. Im Song, Learned Additional AG has submitted that he will take instruction whether to file any response from the state in connection to the state two additional additional affidavits filed by the petitioners. Poster. Before that, Ms. Esther has submitted that a copy of the report of the commission on RIIN would be necessary for adjudication of the issues involving this petition. Recordings in her submission. Then Mr. Imsong has submitted that he will make endeavor to obtain a copy of the report of the commission on RIIN. As prayed for by the Learned Counsel for the parties, raise the case after 4 weeks.
Interim in both the IN and petition.
Interim order, hers, wherever passed earlier, comma, shall continue.
Lordship, this may be released on 7th for.
7th February.
7th.
Okay, as sought for, I will release the case on 7th February. Interim orders, comma, wherever passed earlier, comma, shall continue till the next.
For admission, item number 9.
Authority issuing the order shall highlight in the affidavit. Affidavit file.
May I please, Your Lordship? I have instruction from the client to withdraw the case with the liberty to file afresh.
Miss
Muthoy.
Muthoy, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted, comma, on instruction, comma, that the petitioner wants to withdraw the writ petition, comma, with liberty. Post of para, Miss Inaholi, Learned Government Advocate, who is present, comma, has submitted that the state has no objection to the prayer for withdrawal. Post of, in view of the above submission made by so-and-so Learned Counsel for the petitioner, comma, the writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal, comma, with liberty, comma, as prayed for.
For orders, item numbers 12 to 16.
Yes.
That is my.
Some private respondents.
Lordship, but before that, why don't you kindly peruse order dated 25/8/2025.
25/8/2025.
By that order, we were directed to implead the private respondents.
Are you impleted?
Yeah, I've impleted, but in item number 12, necessary order need to pass. Because the original petitioner.
Item number 12. What is item number 12? 43.
For 43.
43.
Lord, here the original petitioner expired. Thereafter, he was substituted by her son. Court has allowed the IA, and subsequently the same order needs to be passed in respect of this item number 12.
Same order means which order?
The implement order. 25/8/2025.
Any IA is pending here?
No, Lordship.
Huh?
No, Lordship. Since the petitioner is a newly implemented, so the similar order may be passed in this petition.
Where is the order for substitution? Where is the IA for substitution? What is the IA for substitution?
Lordship, the IA
What is the IA number?
219 of 2025.
219.
It was disposed on 24/11/2025.
Okay, you got substituted. Then
Then Lordship, if the earlier order will suffice, then I will take steps accordingly.
which earlier order?
25/8.
Where is the IA?
Lordship 4.
There must have been an interlocutory application for
Yes, Lordship.
implement of the private respondent. Which
So
one?
this order was passed, then we have taken steps accordingly. And
No.
the-
That order says liberty is given to the petitioner to file appropriate application impleading the plaintiffs in declaratory suit and declaratory suit number so and so.
Lordship,
So you are required to file an impleading application.
Lordship, I filed in respect of item number 13 to 16. And they have, accordingly, they have been completed.
No, what is the IA? By which order? What is the IA?
Lordship, that would be 10/11/2025.
10, 11, no, IA number.
IN number
Give the
that IN
INs.
would be the PC 40.
All the INs, give all the INs.
190, Lord. I 190.
What is the read petition number otherwise?
40.
40.
No, the other petitions, I've taken steps and
Let me clear about the facts first. Right. Forty.
I 190 and order dated will be 24/10/2025. I was enough.
Order dated
24/10/2025.
Okay, 2014.
Lordship.
In view of the order, amended postal issue notice statement. Shouldn't this?
I filed the amendment cost title as well as I've taken steps to the newly depleted parties as well. And as per the last office note, the item is reached from the middle.
Four to nine. 429. Okay. Part, Mister?
So Lordship, in this item number 12, others have taken steps, item for item 36, but in item 12, after the court has ordered to implead, where I have informed the client, but however, I was informed by the son of the original petitioner that her mother passed away. Then subsequently,
See, he has been substituted.
substituted
He has been substituted.
Lordship.
Right. Thereafter, the application seeking impleadment was allowed.
I have not filed in this item in respect of item number 12. For impleadment of the newly respondent number 3 to 9. So I'm seeking direction from this court to pass similar order.
Just a minute, sir. You refer to 190, right? You refer to 190.
190, it was disposed, it was in respect of WPC 14. I am in WPC 43.
43.
Lordship.
43, now you want what?
Since the original petition is substituted, so the similar order may be passed, has passed by order dated 25/8 of impleadment. If the earlier order was
No.
sufficed, then it's okay.
Mister, there are 5 petitions, right?
Lordship.
So you have nothing to submit on item number 14, 15, 16.
13, 14, 15, and 16, I have nothing to submit.
You have nothing to submit,
Sir,
right?
it's awaited last day, on last week.
Then 12.
12,
12, the original writ petitioner was Srimati and Alemla,
Lordship.
right?
Lordship.
Then by preferring an application, you got yourself substituted, right?
Lordship.
Right.
Lordship.
Then after being substituted, right?
After being substituted,
After being substituted,
Yes.
please hear me out.
Lordship.
Then you file an application for impleadment.
No, Lordship. That order need to be passed in this writ petition.
Which is the I?
Not in IA, in the WPC 43 of 2025.
No, for impleadment.
Lordship.
There has to be an IA.
No, I'm seeking a direction from this court to implead. To file an IA for impleadment.
Say that. You should have said at the very beginning. I would have said,
No.
you have taken me through a maze, everything through a maze. Ultimately, you are saying that you are filing an application.
I'm sorry, Lordship,
Ah.
I was referring to the last order, so the similar order may be passed.
No, you should have said that I am filing
Lordship.
an interlocutory application seeking impleadment
Lord.
of the plaintiffs in the suit, right?
Lordship.
Within such time. That would have been enough,
Lordship.
right? You have taken me this way, that way, that way. Mr. I, Jamir, learned counsel for the learned counsel appearing for the petitioners in this batch of writ petitions has submitted that the petitioner in WPC number 43/2025. He has paid for. He would need 4 weeks time to file an interlocutory application on behalf of the petitioner in WPC number 43/2025, seeking impleadment of the plaintiffs in declaratory suit number 6/2005 and declaratory suit number 7/2005 as party respondents in the said writ petition. Full stop. The prayer is allowed. Release the case up for 4 weeks.
And Lordship, in respect of 13 to 14, since the item is delivered, notice.
I will pass a fresh order. I will pass as per as per office note dated 9/2/2025, postal service reports. You look this, in WBC 43/2025, office note. Postal receipt report, service reports in respect of respondent number 329 in WBC number 40/2025, WBC number 41/2025 and WBC number 42/2025 have indicated that the items were delivered on 18/11/2025. Full stop. As none of the said respondents has appeared till date, the court deems it proper to wait for their appearance till the next date of listing.
Blessing.
You file the IA for implement in the meantime.
Lordship.
For orders, item number 17.
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, as per the order dated 24/10/25, we have already served the notice of the respondents number 7 on 27/10/25, Lordship.
27/10.
10/20/25.
No, your order is dated 24.
24/10/25. 24/10/25.
You have taken steps.
Yes, Lordship.
You have taken steps.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Service is awaited.
Okay, Lordship, in that case, kindly allow me to issue notice upon respondent number
Fresh
7
steps.
through dusty service, Lordship.
Okay. Heard, Miss?
Can be so.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. And Miss Inaholi.
You took care of greatest vision also, his name is.
We are not passing any. Okay, name is to be reflected. Miss Inaholi, learned government advocate, on behalf of Mr.
Vision.
P. Jimomi, learned government advocate for the state respondents. Post. Steps for service of notice. Upon the respondent number 7, on behalf of the petitioner was taken earlier. Post of as per office note dated 9/12/2025, service report in respect of respondent number 7 is still awaited. Post of. Para Ms. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner may be allowed to take 3 steps for service upon the respondent number 7. Post of the petitioner is allowed to take 3 steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 7 by speed post within 7 working days from today. In addition, as paid for, the petitioner is also permitted to take steps for service upon the respondent number 7 by way of the state. Post of the process is to be routed through the registry. Post of the petitioner, after effecting service of notice upon the respondent number 7 by way of the state, shall file a compliance affidavit to that effect. Release the case after 4 weeks.
For orders, item number 18.
We come to the last petition, we have paid in lakhs. And basically permission for cellular mobile towers has been restored now. So, and we have also taken steps in respond number 6. And it's our best.
Is it so? It is a report, as per report, steps not taken for service of notice.
We have taken it.
Okay. So, who are the respondents? You.
Yes.
So we continue.
Look, Lordship, my condition is, this is a purely, that the cause of action arose from the contractual relationship. Because the petitioner is a consumer of the power supplied by the state respondent. So here, since there's this cause of action is arose out of the contract. So Article 226 is very limited. And in spite of this, dismissing this repetition, the petitioner has an ample opportunity to oppose, raise a state consumer commission.
You file your short affidavit raising the preliminary point.
Yeah, and
Raising the preliminary point, we'll decide then. Okay.
then after mediation.
After Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Imsong, learned additional advocate general for the respondent number 125. Full stop. Mr. Imsong has submitted that by filing an affidavit, short affidavit, to raise a preliminary point as regards maintainability of the writ petition. First of as sought for by Mr. As Mr. Imsong has paid for 4 weeks' time to file such affidavit, release the case after 4 weeks. Post of peruse the office note dated 9/12/2025, wherein it is reported that steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 6 have not been taken by the petitioner. Post of para Mr. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that steps or such steps have already been taken by the petitioner, as he has the requisite postal receipt, right?
Yes.
Which would be submitted before the registry. Post of. If on such submission of the postal receipt, the registry shall ascertain the status as regards service of notice upon the respondent number 6, or you would appear. You would appear for 6.
Yes.
Electricity board only.
Yeah, I'll take a second.
You'll appear. That problem is sorted out.
Your Lordship, as per the order, last week, we have already given, as a we have already given the connection to the 11 sites. And that will be.
Will reflect. So you'll appear for respondent number 6.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Then okay.
All the respondents.
Then all the respondents put you by in nalaga out it. Step take it. Likha would nalaga.
Lordship may then see the official letter that they given us, restoring that, if your lordship.
Transaction and receipt of the director's amount.
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pursuant to the interim direction dated 5/12/2025, the petitioner had deposited a sum of rupees 10 lakhs within the period, and on such deposit being made, the electricity connection to the 11 sites have been restored. Post of Mr. Sharma has also placed a copy of an office letter dated so and so,
9 December.
9 December. Office letter number so and so, dated so and so, of the subdivision. He is respondent
Yes.
of the respondent number 5. Respondent number
5.
5,
Yes.
which is kept with the case record. Post of the present arrangement with regard to electricity connection shall continue till the next day.
Date 19 January.
Okay.
Or
Calendar. Okay, for prayer question. List the case on 19/1. Yes, 19/1.
okay.
Yes. 17. Okay, tell Kagui, no? In time or last time, still continue. Over.